Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Well, peace right here. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare french fries just the way you find them in the shop. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive into our video. Well, so I'll go to the next stage, which is slicing. So I'll just take off the upper and lower part. So this size is perfect. I don't want them to be so thin. So slicing is very easy. You just take the knife, press it down, and then pull back. Just like that, and then pull. So as easy as that, you get yourself some nice shaped fries. So you wash the fries so that will get rid of starch. As you can see, the water has a lot of starch in it. So right now we have some boiling water here. I'll go ahead and put our fries for 3 minutes. Strictly 3 minutes. We don't go beyond that. Our 3 minutes are done, and here we have some ice cold water. So I'll just go ahead and scoop. And then put in the water. So that's it. So we put it here so that we stop the cooking process. So for the next stage, I'll be using a piece of cloth to dry off some water. And then with me, I have my polythene right here. So I'll be taking the dry ones, I put them in. And then with me, I have some corn flour. And then I'll take 2 spoons. Just like that. And then close and shake. So after adding the cornstarch, that's how our french fries will look like. Our oil is ready. I'll go ahead and put the fries. So when it's almost ready, I drain it out of the oil. I'll then go ahead and put the second batch. So after frying the first round, we let our oil reheat and then put it back. So the oil is now hot enough. Okay. So our first batch of fries is ready. So for our sauce, I'll be using mayonnaise because I'm really a fan of mayonnaise. And then some ketchup. So you can use whatever sauce you want. You can use tomato sauce, you can use plain ketchup, anything. Well, now that our fries are ready, I'll go ahead and put some chili. And then salt. Well, now that our fries are ready, it's time for testers. They're so crunchy, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.